A little supplement for my MSI Afterburner series. Beta 9, which only showed 800 millivolts. Beta 14 goes down to 700. Below 700, then you need to download another program, which is GPU-Z. To set this up, go to Settings, Sensors, tick the items you want to monitor and log. Sensors. Ticking the log to file will pop up a window and ask you where you want to leave your log file. I'll put mine on the desktop for now. I recommend you do that, makes it easy. The ones you want to go to the log file, you have to enable it. Open up your log file and it should look like this. Every time you see a date is when you started the application again. For this example, let's go and try and find 675. If you're using Notepad, it's just a simple find and the value you're looking for. No 675 for us this time. You just need to run different tests, the multiple tests of different things, and you should see it. Well, that's it.